recipe is inspired by the Jamaican jerk method. We marinate our meat in a pimento wet rub and then we finish off with a rosemary and Scotch bonnet infused honey. It's super easy guys, don't worry. This quick lamb kebab recipe has delightfully sensational flavors. It is perfect for the family barbecue, with even the pickiest kids devouring them in seconds. Best of all, the recipe is easy to make for anyone who is unskilled, yet it will impress everyone that tries it. We start by dissecting lamb leg steaks into 1-inch cubes. To this we add salt, pimento, garlic, a little beer, and some olive oil. Then we set it aside to marinate. You don't need it to marinate for more than 15 to 20 minutes though. It will be ready to grill after you're done making the glaze and yogurt sauce. We'll use fresh rosemary, fresh lime juice, Scotch bonnet pepper skins, no seeds, a little honey, some more oil to help coat the kebabs and blend. You can add these straight into your blender and liquefy it. By the way, I love this blender. Check it out on my Amazon storefront. Now we'll boil the sauce for a few minutes to release the flavors and to concentrate it for brushing onto the kebabs. I'm using my food processor with the shred attachment to quickly grate my cucumbers. Then I'm squeezing the excess moisture out so our yogurt sauce doesn't become runny. The ingredients are cucumbers, white onions, yogurt, crushed garlic, mint leaves, and my favorite, goat cheese. The ingredients are below, but download or print the full recipe with step-by-step instructions available on my website. For the spicy lamb kebab recipe, I'm keeping it simple and only using white onions and red bell peppers. Now for the fun stuff. Throw your dried wood into your grill or Jamaican coal stove and quickly light with this awesome blowtorch. Turn every minute or so and then start brushing on your glorious glaze. Be sure to keep your pre-soaked wooden skewers away from the direct flame ever so often so that they don't burn and break apart. Or you can opt to use the steel skewers instead. I find that it works best to leave the meat at the tip of the skewer because the bell peppers and onions tend to fall off when grilling your lamb kebab. Now look how beautiful this is. This is what you can expect from flame grilling. And I'm telling you, when these sensational flavors burst into your mouth, you'll transcend this mundane reality. Now you can eat these kebabs as is without anything else or put it together with the yogurt sauce into a lovely Jamaican cocoa bread. Enjoy! All equipment used in this video are in my Amazon storefront. Support my work by purchasing from my store. It's the perfect way to give back. Until next time.